Hello, welcome to my channel Home Health.k. Today in this video I will tell you how you can lose weight with almonds. Before starting the video, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for latest update. There is a good news for almond lovers. Studies have suggested that adding almonds to your diet can help you shed those unwanted kilos. It has been found that an almond diet can be more beneficial in weight loss as compared to a keto diet. Yes, that's true, but how does that work? Nuts have this bad reputation of being very high in fats and calories, which is just the opposite of what you should be having while on a weight loss diet. But almonds are an exception in this case. This walnut is rich in magnesium, copper, vitamin E, protein, and fiber, which makes it very healthy for consumption for everyone. Yes, they are not low in calories, but they can fit very well in your weight loss diet. Almonds can help in hunger management. Eating almonds as a snack can help you feel full for a long time, which in turn will make sure that your hunger is managed well and you don't eat a lot while you are on a weight loss plan. Almonds are loaded with proteins, fibers, and healthy fats which help in satiating your hunger, as well as keeping you fit and healthy. Consumption of almonds in between your meals will fill your stomach and stop you from eating unhealthy junk foods. So you don't have to stay hungry and eat less while you are on a weight loss journey, when you can eat almonds and get the right amount of nutrition every day. Almonds provide sufficient calories. Almonds being high in calories can be the best snack for you when you want to lose some weight because they provide you with enough calories and energy without making you fat. Previous studies have found out that people who ate almonds as a snack in between their meals are likely to eat fewer calories for the rest of the day, as they already feel so satiated that they do not eat much, and as a result they lose some kilos. Almonds reduce belly fat. Almonds are packed with protein which helps in the development of lean muscle mass. They also contain healthy fats which helps in maintaining and reducing the overall body mass index, making you lose weight in the belly part. So if you are worried about your tummy growing out, grab almonds and eat them anytime you want. How to eat almonds for weight loss? The best way to eat almonds is having them as a snack. Just pack some almonds in a Ziploc bag and carry them with you wherever you go. And whenever you feel hungry, just munch onto them. Eat them raw with skins, as they are healthier as compared to the salted or roasted ones, and also they have a lot of antioxidants which will keep you healthy by healing your body from within. Overall, we would recommend you to have only one handful of almonds each day, as otherwise they can cause digestive issue and may also contribute to weight gain, as they are high in fats and calories. I hope this video will help you a lot. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for latest updates. Thanks for watching.